is the controller, and now because the generator we can't connection and drive it like what you do. So we just connection controller, battery, and inverter and show you this function. And now you can check this controller. Yes, this is the user's main. This is the nameplate. It's 2 kilowatts, and it's full battery for 8 voltage. And this is yes, this is a fuse. This is a fuse, and also there is fuse for battery. And here we have a manual brake, which you can use to brake the generator when necessary. Is brake button.
Okay.
And here there is a screen here. You can see this is wind input because we don't connection, so it is 0.
Yeah.
And the ampere kilowatts. And also it can show solar. This is the battery voltage. The battery voltage is 45. This is the battery voltage.
Yeah.
Yes. The controller is not charging the battery, so the ampere is 0 now. Okay. So this is the controller, and the controller where connection is from here. Wait a moment, I will show you. You can see here is the controller connection.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Yes, it's wind input surface from here. This is the battery, and we also need connection to the dump load. This is the dump load, and we also can connection to the monitoring DTU. This is RS485 for monitoring communication.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So for the controller, do you have more questions?
No, perfect.
Okay. So you can see the controller where it's come to your battery. Your battery is pretty good. Very good quality.
Yes.
Yes. And I don't need to introduce, I think. Now, what is important? Yeah, I introduced the inverter. You can see the inverter wire connection. Here is the AC input from the grid, and this is the AC output. Input and output. And here there is a button for the PV. Because we don't have PV input, so we don't need connection. If you need connection in the future, you can also connection. And this is for battery input.
Yes, easy. Very easy, and connection is very easy. It's okay.
Okay, and this is the nameplate of this inverter.
Perfect.
Yes, you can see the specifications are also here. Okay, now you can see the inverter is supplying to the load. This battery power from battery power and supply from the load, and also the grid power charging the battery now. It's the great power charging the battery now. The battery is being charged.
Okay, I see.
Okay, so we run a load, so you can check. You can see? We can run fine. This power is just from the inverter.
Okay.
And also the inverter, you can change the working function when you press it. You can see this disappeared. Now it's no load output, it's just the input and charging the battery. And also when you press here, you can see the load is yes, appeared. So
Yes, okay.
we can
I see.
we can change the working function from the inverter.
Okay.
Also, here is the cooling fan for the inverter. It's the full cooling fan.
Sir.
Okay, John. For my brief introduction is just here.